But I am not the president of just one entity or organization. I am a guy who was elected by the people. Kung sabihin naman, kaya ang motto ko noong na mayor ako dito at presidente ako, pareho, it's almost parallel. Ang bunganga ako, dala-dala ko rin. If they say that I am not a statesman, I never claim to be one. At wala mang subject na statesmanship doon sa law school. Obligation and contracts, criminal law. And if they do not like my character, the more that I do not like them. So why should I follow them? Pero there has to be a limit in everything. And I choose my time to stop attacking. Alam mo kasi, may mga religious dyan, pati itong mga yellow, before the elections, they were already crucifying me. And after the elections, they continued in 2 months, ano na sila ng revolutionary, and they were marching down the streets of Manila.